Hey guys, TechMentor with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a SIM card into your iPhone 15 Plus if your phone has a SIM slot. And we're going to explain to you what that means. And also give you some troubleshooting tips if you're having issues getting phone service connected to your iPhone. So let's get started. So if you're going to be inserting a SIM card into your iPhone 15 Plus, first thing is you have to make sure your phone has actual physical SIM card slot in it. What I mean by that, in the US, the iPhone 15 Plus only supports eSIM, so there's no physical SIM card on the device. You have to contact your carrier and they send you a QR code and you set up the eSIM, which we explain in another video, which you can check that out if you have the eSIM version of the iPhone. But if you do have a physical SIM card, the quickest way to check if your phone has it is, first thing is going to be in the packet here where there's a actual pamphlet here. If you open it up, it will say either you have a if you no longer have a physical SIM card, you need to activate eSIM card. It will say that. Now, if you have a physical SIM card, you'll get this this little tool, which is the SIM ejector tool. So if you don't have this tool, that means your phone is an eSIM. So follow the eSIM instruction. But if you do have a physical one, right, you'll get this tool and then you can activate it. So how do you activate it? Well, it's going to be really simple. If you do have one, so what's going to happen is on your iPhone 15 Plus, on your left hand side here, it's going to have the SIM tray, which you can insert this tool and take it out. Here I don't have it, but a phone that does have it, as an example here, like this iPhone one that has actual physical SIM card, the hole's going to look like this on your 15 Plus here. And all you'll do is simply take that tool that you have, or if you don't have this, you can also take a paper clip and bend it, or like a earring piece, basically something to be able to fit it in there. You're going to push it in there just like that, just a nice dab, and then it pops it out like that. So again, show you one more time. You need to push it, like give a push till you hear a little pop, and then once you get it out, all you do is take your SIM card. It's going to be a nano size SIM card that the iPhone 15 Plus has. It's going to look like this. You'll take it and then you position it where there's a cut corner, you'll see, and it'll match it up. Right here is a cut corner. They match up and sits like this. So it's going to sit like that where the piece is showing up, that cut corner, and it sits flat. And then you'll take your iPhone and then put it back in there just the way it is, matching up the hole. And of course you do this on the iPhone 15 Plus or any of the iPhone that has a physical SIM card. And after that, you should see what happens is you pull down the menu top here and you should see your phone service showing up here. That means you're good to go. Now, if you don't get your phone service right away, a couple things is try to give your phone a restart by simply holding the volume up or volume down, one or the other, and then the side button here, and press it like this. And then this menu to slide to power off will happen. You'll turn it off, and then you press the side button here to turn it on. You can also go into your settings, and in your settings here, you can also go to general. Down here it says shutdown. You can click on that if you can't click the buttons. Slide to power off, give it about 30 seconds, and then power it back on by holding it. And that should help you reinitialize the SIM card if you're having issues. The other thing is you have to contact your carrier if you're still not getting phone service. Sometimes they have to add the IMEI number to their system or make sure your line is active so you can actually get your phone service. So that's it about inserting a SIM card into your iPhone 15 Plus. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.